YouTube, Hitman here with Box Break. Actually, my first basketball product in 2 years, Panini 09-010, Absolute Memorabilia. Right now I'm just watching some Judge Judy, but I figure the box would probably be a good time to break. So here we go.
When I checked the child's social security number, am I going to find that a deposit was made by the Internal Revenue Service for a tax refund check? There should be one, but it should be mine. There should be one for your daughter's account. Correct. And it should be yours.
It is mine. I had no account at the time and had to put it in her account because it was her saving account.
And how much was the refund?
My refund was a little over $1,000. I don't know the exact number.
Alright, pack one.
Misappropriated your tax refund check last year, and she put it in her daughter's account. Yes. She was a friend of yours. Yes. Prove it to me.
Well, I had
Andre Iguodala.
gone down to her house to ask her to do my taxes because her mom
Mark
had her
Price
tax
out of
on her
100.
computer. And she said she'd be able to. And so I
And
gave her
Marcus
my
Thornton,
account number and my routing
rookie
number
auto,
to be direct
Spectrum out of
deposit. And so
249.
she filed it and everything, and I waited for a few weeks.
And Joakim Noah base.
Didn't see no money. And so I called the IRS and they said that it had already
You
been
can't tell me what the IRS told you. If you have a document from the Internal Revenue Service, I'll look at it.
I never really.
So your total refund was what?
Just over
You made $760 and $257. Okay, you didn't receive it.
no, I did not.
Dwight Howard base.
And then I got that paper and it said that the account had earned
Marcus Landry,
deposited
rookie
into
Spectrum.
that account. I had gone up to the bank because I knew that
Number
that
to
was
100.
a guarantee account, and she's the only person
And
I knew
Dirk
who was
Nowitzki,
You mean a guarantee account? Is that the name of the bank?
double jersey,
Guarantee bank.
number to
Well, I do have
25.
the bank account number. Is this the
Jesus
bank account
Christ,
number?
can't pick out which way I want to slide them.
I said it was deposited. Do you have anything from Guarantee Bank that indicates whose account this is?
Pack 3, thick.
You were the 961.
Kristen. Well,
Who lived at 961?
My mother did. I lived there at the time, but I
Ben Wallace base.
Well, her refund check.
Looks like a
was with your
redemption.
bank.
This is a
didn't get it. I
Jerry
sent
West,
online
number to
daily
499.
everything for her.
Well, then what we're going to do.
And a redemption of a rookie. Gotta look up that.
Indicates it was deposited.
And Steve Nash base.
They received her income tax filing on February 6th.
Rookie Premier
2009.
signatures.
I'd just like to see on what they would have to be March or April.
So this will be Sam Young, Rookie Premier material signature. So
When the refund was
redemption to send in.
Where do you live?
I still in touch.
And last pack.
You have the same bank and guarantee?
No, we
Ooh,
closed it.
expires in
When?
a
I
year.
believe in April we closed it.
Got scared there. I thought it expired in 2 weeks.
We just didn't own the account anymore, and I knew if I closed it and then her
pretty
stuff
thick.
went into it for some reason, that they would send me a paper saying where it came from, how much it was, and I'd be able to get her her money and give it to her, because that's where she.
Kevin
kept telling me
Martin
it was
base.
going, even though I knew it was going into her account, because that's the number.
It's a Garrett Temple rookie, number to 499.
It never went in there. I checked it
And a
out.
Devin Harris
And we're going to see if we can get a
jersey.
statement from Guarantee Bank.
Frequent flyer,
March and April of 2009.
numbered out of 100.
Courthouse today. Maybe we
And a Nene
can step out. I'll record it.
base. So that was the box. Also today, sports betting. Only two games on tonight. Betting on one, taking the Bulls minus 7.5 over the Knicks. Bulls have won by I think an average of 11 points in their first two home games. Plus they're on like 3 days rest already. Knicks are not playing good. Tom Thibodeau really working the Bulls. Looking forward to watching that game on TNT tonight. And also the second game, though, probably the better game. Portland versus Oklahoma. Should be a good one. Oklahoma played like garbage yesterday, so they should come back firing. So that's the break. Peace.